In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete AvaTrade account. Now, the first thing you can do if you actually want to delete a trading account on AvaTrade, you can go to top right over here, click on this down arrow, and click on See All next to Accounts. Now, next to these accounts, you'll be able to see whenever the expiration date is. The expiration date is always 3 months after you've opened up your trading account, and that's basically how we can get those deleted. So we have to wait for 3 months, and they're going to get deleted automatically. However, if you actually want to delete your entire account on AvaTrade, what you're going to have to do is you have to go to chat down here, bottom left, hover over it, and click on Chat with Us. After that, simply type in account closure, or something like this, okay? And then basically just press enter, and it's going to tell you, this bot is going to tell you, hello, I am sorry you're basically going, and then you have to click on the full registration, so you want to close the full account. And after this, you're basically going to have to answer a few questions like this, and after that, it will basically help you close your account. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.